from every women civil society.
Magandang hapon po. Good afternoon. Salamat po. Kasama ko po yung mga containers po natin from various sectors para po sumite ang kanila po yung
Sige na, abot na. Abot na.
Verified complaint for impeachment signed by 17 complainants. Duly verified. As I said kanina, 5 grounds for impeachment under the Constitution and also the rules of impeachment of the House of Representatives and 24 articles of impeachment ang enumerate and discussed under those 4 or 5 basic grounds for impeachment and duly endorsed by Representative Percy Sandanya. So ito na po. Nabasa ko na po kanina.
Basta na, ha?
Yung mga complainants kanina. Assisted.
Baka po ulitin lang po natin. Nakatayo naman po dito sa harapan yung complainants. Pakilala na lang po muli tayo. Simulan po natin.